Hello everyone and welcome back to one level per episode. In this episode we're going to be training self-harm. No, we're going to be training fishing for the season premiere. This season we're going back to weekly videos. Dailies because too much effort. We do have a bond for this season. I haven't redeemed it yet. We're being smart. We'll wait till we need to. If anyone would like to donate a bond to the season, get in touch. But let's get right into it. And let's hurry up because I have a cold and I want to go back to bed. I'm lagging. Oh god. Hey! The season has been successfully kicked off with level 3 fishing. This season we're going to be getting a level 5, so you don't want to miss that. So I will see you all in the next episode. Bye bye.